Few facts about leafy dragon. Number 1. Leafy sea dragons are masterful mimics, resembling drifting seaweed with their long, leaf-like appendages. This remarkable camouflage helps them blend seamlessly into their seagrass and kelp-filled habitats. Number 2. Endemic to Australia. Leafy sea dragons are native to the southern and western coasts of Australia. They are primarily found in the waters of South Australia, Western Australia, and Victoria. Number 3. Close seahorse relatives. Leafy sea dragons are related to seahorses and pikefish, belonging to the same family Cygnethidae. Like seahorses, male leafy sea dragons also carry and hatch eggs. Number 4. Unique appendages. The leaf-like projections on their bodies are not used for swimming but serve as camouflage. These appendages, technically called serratoid filaments, provide an exquisite disguise. Number 5. Long, slender bodies. Leafy sea dragons have long, slender bodies, which contribute to their resemblance to drifting seaweed. They can grow up to about 14 to 18 inches 35 to 46 centimeters in length. Number 6. Limited range of motion. Despite their seemingly delicate appendages, leafy sea dragons have limited mobility. Their small pectoral fins are used for stability, and they rely on a small dorsal fin for propulsion. Number 7. Mouth structure. Leafy sea dragons have a small mouth at the end of a long snout. Their tubular mouths create a vacuum-like effect, allowing them to suck in small prey, primarily tiny crustaceans. Number 8. Distinctive coloration. While their coloration can vary, leafy sea dragons often exhibit shades of yellow, brown, and green, resembling the hues of the surrounding seaweed and seagrass. Number 9. Pregnancy in males. Similar to seahorses, male leafy sea dragons become pregnant. Females transfer eggs to a specialized brood patch on the male's tail, where the eggs are fertilized and incubated until hatching. Number 10. Elongated tails. Leafy sea dragons have elongated tails that can be used for grasping and anchoring to seaweed or other structures in their environment. Number 11. Gentle disposition. Leafy sea dragons are generally peaceful and gentle creatures. They are not aggressive and often rely on their camouflage for protection against predators. Number 12. Solitary nature. Leafy sea dragons are primarily solitary, and their social interactions are limited. They are often encountered alone or in pairs. Number 13. Slow swimmers. Leafy sea dragons are slow swimmers, relying on their camouflage rather than speed to evade predators. Their deliberate movements contribute to their resemblance to drifting seaweed. Number 14. Limited distribution. Despite their captivating appearance, leafy sea dragons have a limited distribution along the southern and western coasts of Australia. They are particularly associated with specific habitats, such as rocky reefs and seagrass beds. Number 15. Courtship rituals. Leafy sea dragons engage in elaborate courtship rituals, including swimming alongside each other and mirroring movements. These behaviors are essential for pair bonding. Number 16. Temperature sensitivity. Leafy sea dragons are sensitive to changes in water temperature. Sudden shifts can impact their metabolism and overall well-being. Number 17. Rapid eye movements. Leafy sea dragons exhibit rapid eye movements, allowing them to independently scan their surroundings. This capability enhances their ability to detect potential threats. Number 18. Limited lifespan. In the wild, leafy sea dragons have a lifespan of around 7 to 10 years. However, factors such as predation, habitat changes, and human activities can impact their longevity. Number 19. Similar to seahorses, male leafy sea dragons undergo a fascinating reproductive process known as male pregnancy. After the female transfers her eggs to a specialized area on the male's tail, the male fertilizes the eggs and carries them during the incubation period. When the eggs hatch, the male releases tiny, fully formed juvenile leafy sea dragons into the water. This unique reproductive strategy is one of the remarkable features of leafy sea dragon biology. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.